students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, a man standing at a point A on the building AD. So this is our building AD and man is standing at point A, observes a car at point C, okay, and on a straight road from the foot of the building. So this is the foot of the building and from here it is on the straight road. The car moves 500 meters towards the building. It moves 500 meters towards the building and it reaches the point B. Now the observer observes the car from point A. So these are two angle of depression. So what in this line, the angle of depression in this case are complementary to each other. What does that mean? First of all, initially angle of depression, let's suppose initially angle of depression was alpha, finally it is beta. This is the angle of depression, okay, from what angle we are looking downwards, okay. So alpha is the initial angle of depression, beta is the final angle of depression, and they are complementary to each other. They are complementary to each other means alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree. This is what given in the question. If the car takes 9 minutes to reach from point C to point D, means from point C to the foot of the building, it takes 9 minutes with the speed of 10 meters per minute. So speed we have, speed is equals to 100 meters per minute, and time we have, time taken is 9 minutes. So distance traveled in this 9 minutes is from point C to D, that is length CD. So distance or length CD is equals to speed into time. Speed is 100 and time is 9. So this distance is 900 meters. So this distance CD we found as 900 meters. So this is 900 meters. So what will be the length BD? It will be 900 minus 500, which is 400 meters. Correct? Now in triangle, now let's see in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, if this is alpha, let's suppose see this Z. If this is alpha, this will also be alpha. See this bigger Z. If this entire angle is beta, this entire angle will be beta again. So in triangle ABD, 10 beta will be equals to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is h. Let's suppose the height of the building is small h. So opposite is h upon adjacent, which is 400. And in triangle ACD, 10 alpha will be equals to same h upon adjacent, h is h upon 900, h upon 900. Now another relation we have here is alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree. From this relation we can deduct that beta is equals to alpha is equals to 90 minus alpha. Beta is equals to 90 minus alpha. Will instead of beta what we can write? 90 minus alpha. So 90 minus alpha is equals to h upon 400, which means cot alpha is equals to h upon 400, which means 10 alpha. Cot alpha is 1 upon 10 alpha. So 10 alpha will be equals to reciprocal of this, which is 400 divided by h. So since 10 alpha is 400 divided by h, we can replace this 400 divided by h here. So 400 divided by h is equals to h divided by 900. So h square is equals to 900 into 400. From here when we will calculate, we will get h is equals to 600 meters. H is equals to 600 meters. This is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.